Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as I'm sure you saw by the title, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I created this vampy look right here. Now I cannot take all the credit. I did get a lot of inspiration from some photos that I saw on Pinterest, but nonetheless, I thoroughly enjoy how this look came out, and I hope that you guys do too. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this, just keep watching. Also, side note, we're gonna pump the brakes before we jump into the voiceover tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Now I know a lot of you come here and you watch the videos, however you're just not subscribing, honey. I need you to subscribe. Ew, what am I doing? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying this video thus far. If you've enjoyed any of my other videos that you have seen, or if you've sat there and binge watched and you just forgot to do it, it's okay, honey. I understand. I've been there too. But here's my reminder to you. Hit that little red subscribe button and that notification bell right next to it so you get notified every single time that I upload, because trust me, you are gonna want to be here. Also, side note slash little disclaimer slash info, I am not showing you how I achieved this lip look right here. If you'd be interested in seeing how exactly I created that, please let me know and I will make a video just for you all about that. So I think it is time to begin, shall we? So buckle up your seatbelts, kids. This is a good one.
Alright friends, let's dive on in. So first, using this Anastasia Prism palette, I'm going to be using that Unity shade there to just apply and buff all over my entire lid. I'm just trying to get a nice neutral base color to really lay it on thick. Okay, so guys, this is whenever I jumped into another palette, but don't worry, I'm going to eventually show you. But what I'm using here is the burnt orange shade in that other palette, and I'm doing the exact same thing, kind of putting it all over the lid space and up into the crease. And wouldn't you know, I forgot to freaking show the other color again. So I believe this is called, some sort of dark orange. Oh my god, I can't even speak. Anyway, I'm just taking the shade and doing the exact same thing. Hi, here we go. Me noticing that I haven't showed you anything. Yes, girl, you've screwed up. Okay, orange soda, burnt orange, raw sienna, or excuse me, just sienna. Holy biscuits. Those are the colors I used. Now jumping in with this light tan shade. I couldn't see what the name of it was right there in that clip, but it's just a very light tan, and I'm taking it on a smaller, less fluffy brush, a little bit more dense, and I'm just focusing it mainly on the lid and just a little bit into the crease. And eventually I'm going to go back in with that original blending brush and blend all the colors together. I'm jumping into this dark cypress color. It's like a darker brown, and doing the exact same thing to the lid space as I did with that lighter tan color, and then eventually going back and blending it all together. And just using that tempera shade, that very shimmery light color, I'm going to highlight my brow bone and put a little bit of it in my inner corner, and then I'm going to take the original fluffy blending brush and just blend all of it together. Okay guys, this is where you do as I say and not as I do. So you guys know that I have severely hooded eyes, and I have a million miles of eye skin to maneuver and try to get the straightest wings. So I give my little eye area a little bit of a tug, but unless you want 45,000 wrinkles like I have, do not do it, okay? I mean, it just takes a little bit of practice and a little bit more patience, but you know, I of course don't have that. So jumping into these Jeffree Star liquid lips, I am actually only going to be using the orange shade to line underneath of my lower lash line, and I'm actually doing a cute little like secondary wing right up here. Obviously you can see me doing that. Here I'm taking it into the inner like lower waterline. Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks are eye safe, in case you did not know that, so it will not hurt my eye or irritate it in any way to use it down here. And I'm actually going to connect it all the way around, because I think just putting it in the waterline didn't make it vibrant enough. And eventually you're going to see me take it into the inner corner to make it like a super, super cat eye. And then whenever I'm done with all that, I'm going to throw on some lashes, and I will see you guys in the outro.
So, first of all, I would like to make a formal apology for how scattered my showing of the colors were. Now, to be fair to me, I also confused myself. Is that a typical thing here? Yes, it is. So I went between 3 palettes in this tutorial, so I'm just going to show you guys super quick. So the first one, one of them that I was using was the Soft Glam, as you can see right there. Next one was Modern Renaissance. I used all Anastasia palettes for this. Obviously, ring, right there is what it looks like. And then the last one that I jumped into, I think just once, just for this Unity shade, is the Prism palette. Ring, right there. So those are the palettes that I used to create this look. If you do not have those palettes, that is not a big deal. All you need are colors that are very similar to these, and you can create this look, of course, by yourself. Okay, so the look is over. We're ending the video. Did you like it? Give the like button a little clink if you did. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. I know I told you in the beginning, but I know there's going to be some of you that are, you know, like me and kind of procrastinate. So here's your time to go ahead and do that. Thanks again for tuning into this video, guys. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.